Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku. Sudoku with 4 stars. Yes, in this additional with extra Sudokus of the last day of the year, Thursday. Thursday, December the 31st, 2020. The second Sudoku I will solve is a 4 stars Sudoku, and I have already counted the printed digits. 25 again. Yes. Is this easier than the previous Sudoku, also with 25 printed digits? I do not know, but this will be a number 20991. All right, so let's get started. 5 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no twos in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. We see there 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright, in this column we have also 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2s in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 2. Alright, let's go to another digit. How about the 7 in this row, the 7 in the middle row? So the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 1 and the 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright. Yeah. So we have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 and should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Alright. Alright. We have a 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 3 and the 5. The 3 and the 5 are missing in this big square. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 in this row. Third row. 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So on the last row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, alright. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 4 and 7, I believe. Yes, 4 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 2 is missing. All right. All right. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and 6 is missing. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes because I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. Alright. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. Let me see. 2, 3, 9. No. 6. Cannot do a lot. Let me go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. The first row, the 1 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 there. So this box, no 1 and a 6. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left for the 9. 1 and 6 goes here. Okay. So we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the middle column, the column between, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, all right. Let me see. 5. Yes. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 in the second row should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. Then 7, 6, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers in the second row are the 6, the 7, and the 8. 6, 7, and an 8. We see here 6 and a 7, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 8. Alright, 6 and a 7. Remember this for later. 2, 5. 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column. Only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. 4 and 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 8. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column? Only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only place for the 1 should be here. 1 number left in the first row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2. No, 2 we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7. We have there 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 7. We have there 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 865, 865. All right. 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are missing. 7 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. I mark those for you. 7 and 8. Alright, alright, alright. 5, 6, and a 4. 5, 6, and a 4. How about those 2 numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be a 4. And this should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7. And this should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Quicker than previous Sudoku. So how could that be? Yes, a 4-star Sudoku. If it's really 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. So is this really a 4 stars? I don't know. Alright. Thank you for watching. And I like this Sudoku. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Yes, we have 2 to go in the year 2020. 1 binary and 1 tectonic. So see you later. Bye-bye for now.